Turn left.
Fala a putra.
God!
You key?
Oh my God.
Stop this stop sign.
I know ice can only exist in heaven, my friend. It can't exist in hell.
But well, that's why the phrase hell freezes over. But tell me about it, because Willie O'Ree, I believe, was the first black NHL player.
That's right. That's right. Not only was he the first black NHL player, but he did it against with so many obstacles, not just the cultural obstacles of his time, that he was breaking racial barriers, etc. But Willie O'Ree grew up as an athlete who actually lost eyesight in one of his eyes, and managed to continue through the amateur and then ultimately reach.
And I will say, I grew up playing hockey. I played all the way to D3, a D3 college, before I transferred to the University of Florida. So hockey is in my heart. It's in my blood. I still have my Letterman jacket. So I think that's really awesome that you guys did that. All right, I got to leave it there and take my break. Representative Tom Emmer, thank you so much for joining us.
Take care, Andrew. 46 days.
46 days, you're right. Sirius XM Patriot.
Cute animal videos can only get you by for so long.
Don't you worry about a thing.
Enter Happy Radio.
I just wanna make you happy, baby.
Songs guaranteed to make you smile from the biggest names in music. Welcome to your new happy place. Happy Radio. Now
lay your horn on him again.
Do like, but I wouldn't want to keep it. It's a little too small for me.
Yeah.
But I do like the.
Ooh.
Right there.
There he is.
Hi, buddy.
Yeah, get a picture of that one.
Wow.
Oh my god. You okay? Alright, yeah, so, oh my god. He's okay. Alright.
What the? Oh my god, that was so close. That's alright, you okay? Cool, no worries. Oh.
Well, there's a new one.
Îți place pe curbe de astea calconcentriu.